Modular, premium, uncompromising. This is Maestroflex, where cooking becomes a pure pleasure. New tech, higher standards, more output, less effort, spotless hygiene, and lower costs. Freedom meets precision. With Maestroflex, cooking becomes pure pleasure, your way. Whether it's a multi-function pan, deep fryer, stove, grill, or kettle, modular systems offer seamless flexibility across every station. Feature cutting-edge heating technology that guarantees precision and power every single time. Consistently top-tier results, even when cooking at scale. Fast, intuitive, and effortlessly efficient. The electric tilting mechanism, the automatic water dosing, the convenient basket lifting, and the internal drain deliver effortless operation with maximum comfort and safety. To keep cooking a pure pleasure over time, these systems are engineered for long-lasting durability. Solid 3mm stainless steel, built to impress. And when it's time to clean, it's effortless. Hygienic by design, like smooth surfaces and gentle curves, make cleaning fast and foolproof. This saves time and money, but that's just the start. With Maestroflex, you cook significantly faster and use considerably less energy, making it one of the most cost-effective modular cooking systems on the market. With more than 140 module options in different sizes and power outputs, you get one thing: a kitchen built precisely around you for pure cooking pleasure.